Yeah, I'll react to that, sure. Hey, guys. All right. Rachel Riley. 8 out of 10 Cats Does Countdown. Greatest name for a show. Yeah, I love 8 out of 10 Cats videos, and Rachel's great, and let's watch it. Strong language and adult content. Beware.
And what I discovered...
Rachel, who do you think is going to excel today?
Well, I've looked at the stats, and what I discovered was that John and Miles is an anagram of ninja models, and Rod and Sean together makes hard ones and sore hand. So, I'm not sure if that answers your question, but if they've been practicing, it's not countdown.
Okay.
I'm not...
I.
And another?
O.
And a consonant?
C.
And another consonant, please?
N.
And another?
T.
Jimmy's excited.
I'll set the clock off. I'm excited. Never get a word. We better stop that.
Vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant.
A-N. U-S.
Vowel, please.
A.
Consonant, please.
N.
Come on.
Consonant. Consonant.
S.
Oh, God. My God. Vowel.
E. There you go.
Anus and C. Rachel, keep your eyes on the watch. Relax and listen to my voice. You are feeling very sleepy. Imagine you were talking to Susie Dent. You are feeling very sleepy.
Did you see this woman right here?
Relax and listen to my voice. You are feeling very sleepy. Imagine you were talking to Susie Dent. You are feeling very sleepy. When you wake up, you will see the love of your life in front of you. You will wake up when the clock ends.
Nothing's happened, Jimmy.
Jimmy!
All right. Okay, all right. I was looking at her. Go to my dressing room. I'll see you later. Ashley, what have you got?
I have got for you, Jimmy. Be better at miming, Rachel. I have.
Rachel, are you signalling to me?
I'm trying to give a 7-letter word. The only one I've seen is bondage.
Yeah, which is exactly what I got as yeah, bondage is what I got. That's why
That's what she was doing.
I took so long to say it because I felt really restricted by the idea. That's what
I think you should
got.
definitely go with that and not bongo. Which,
What did you get? You got bongo.
No, I didn't.
Did you get bongo?
Letter for
Bongo,
bongo.
there's only one O.
Exactly, Sean. Exactly. So
You didn't get bondage either, did you?
But everyone's stabbing me
Bingo.
in the back today. Everyone I thought was a friend.
I'm afraid you're on the wrong team if you want to play hard and fast with the rules.
Where do you see yourself in 10 years?
Well, in 10 years, hopefully, I'll have been working in telly for 18 years. So I'll probably be testifying against someone I've worked with.
Excuse
Rachel,
me?
you must get recognised by your fans all the time. Do you ever wish you could sort of fly under the radar?
My favourite time of the year is when I just get to go skiing and you haven't got to do your hair and makeup, you haven't got to have all that awkwardness. Just put your helmet on, put your snood on, no makeup, it's great. And actually, I've brought my skiing stuff with me, actually. If I...
Where do you guys go skiing when you're in the UK? I love going skiing, but I'm in New England. I can go up to New Hampshire and Maine and Vermont. But where do you go skiing if you're in the UK? Do you have to go to mainland Europe?
Just make
See,
myself
because
more comfortable.
I'm pretty sure I would recognise you in skiing gear.
So I've got a beard and Viking horns. And this is kind of my look.
I want
so much
that.
more comfortable, and it's warm. And you just don't have to have that awkward social, like, is that you, is it not, how's Jimmy, that kind of thing.
That's a challenging wank.
Even Sean is like, I'm sorry.
Sorry.
I love
The
Sean.
dress
Rest in
this
peace.
evening, you can write on your dress this
Yeah, I
evening.
can do numbers. Or like, you can have fun and do that.
Is this...
What are you doing there? Nefertiti. Nets.
Mortal countdown.
Forest.
Ready, fight.
Sound effects. Finish him.
Do you get Countdown fans asking you to help them with their maths problems?
Yeah, sometimes. I mean, mostly it's just gibberish. But occasionally you get sent a really good maths problem. So I took one to the park last week. Had a good go on that.
Tell me more.
People do introduce me at parties saying I'm a mathematician, and I recently was at a party with loads of Americans and just realised quite how weird my job is. I think my party trick is just making people look confused and step away. Because you start by saying you're a mathematician, and then it's on TV, and then it's on a comedy show, and then I do times tables to numbers. At this point, I lose the room. So, yeah. Exactly. Sean, help me out. Come on, sound effects.
Hit the button!
He's not doing it, he's leaving me hanging.
Let her
Some
cook.
things you can't help.
Got a lot of ways for one away, but I've no idea if it can be done.
Give me.
Come and eat your chili.
Come on, I want to play the games, guys. Okay. I'm not cheating. I'm not looking below. 985. You would do 9 times 8 times 8, 64 plus 9 is 73. Never mind.
I'm not even joking. Come and eat your chili.
It's like, I have to eat a chili. How bad is it, John?
I'll talk again later.
Okay, Russian roulette.
This one.
The interesting thing about it,
Do you eat the whole thing?
the interesting thing about it is that it gets worse. It starts off all right, and then it just progressively
Oh,
deteriorates.
she ate the whole thing? Oh, not the seeds. All right, I look so weird, but she just got a bunch of seeds. That's gonna be
Yeah,
hot.
that'll be fine. You'll probably be fine.
It would be really good for my...
Spit it out.
A bit of a Bill Bailey stalker tonight. So.
I think that made me look like such a weirdo. Like, zoom in on the face. No. Can I just turn the lights on, just without editing? Go.
A bit of a Bill Bailey stalker tonight. So I just want to get it out there early, but I've seen him like 5 or 6 times live, and I'm just a bit nervous tonight.
Okay. You've got a bit of a crush on Bill?
Well, not. I'm just more love, you know. There was a headline once that I'm Signal.
Oh my God, you've got it so bad.
I think if Rachel was found peering into your kitchen window, you would still be the one that got arrested.
Have you ever done Countdown drunk?
How
many...
There was one time when Nick moved the filming, so we were actually filming on a Sunday, and the night before, one of my best friends got married, so I probably was still a little bit drunk from the night before.
Oh, that
I could
doesn't
still do
count.
the numbers, it was fine.
Sure.
6 plus 1 plus 1 is 8. 70.
No, I got this. 75 times 3 is 225. 3 plus 1 plus 1 is 5 times 75 is 375 plus
5 minus 3 is 72. That's it.
Is that it?
Yeah.
8 times 72.
And you know what? Even though I've seen you do it, I still don't know how you did it. What happened to you?
5
Guys,
minus
so how'd you get to it? 6 plus 4 is
3 is
8.
72.
72 times 8. What is that? 70 times 8 is 56 plus 16 would be 72. Guys, I'm good at math. My brain is blocked.
That's it.
Is that it?
Yeah.
8 times 72.
And you know what? Even though I've seen you do it, I still don't know how you did it. What happened to you? Like, how did you become like this?
I've done this a lot.
How many friends have you got? Genuinely interested.
Well, if that's your theory, I should be fucking magic.
$560.
I just spotted that it could have been. It was 24 squared, and now I kind of feel a bit bad that I did it this way.
You idiot.
572.
How would you have done 24 squared?
You can do 75 divided by 3 is 25, minus 1 is 24, 3 plus 1 is 4 times, and then you get 24 squared, and that's like the best way to
yeah,
Yes. That's what I thought.
They're clapping because they don't understand.
Is it 0?
Is what 0?
How many friends you've got?
Good looking, sporty and academic. Some people said Rachel Riley had it all, and then she went on Strictly and we saw her dance. Rachel, is it true you're learning Russian?
Да. Да, я люблю говорить по-русски. Я занимаюсь русским каждый день.
Can you also talk backwards? What did you just say?
I said, yeah, I love speaking Russian. I busy myself with Russian every day.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Go on, teach me some
I can
Russian.
teach. Well, some of the words are really hard. Like the word for hello is здравствуйте, which just doesn't sound like anything. But some words accidentally sound like English words, so it could be useful for countdown. If
Okay,
you have to
go
make the contestants write something down, the word for write it down is napiszcie.
Nappy shit you.
And if your friends tried a bit of cake or something, they've just put it in their mouth, and you want to ask them how it is, you say nukak.
Nukak?
Nukak.
So they put something in their mouth and you want to know how it tastes. You go, Nukak?
I'm frightened by how fast they got my attention. Romeo. I give up. That was it. I feel like watching some more. Maybe we'll do some Top Gear, Grand Tour, or another countdown. But can I do one like where I can engage in the numbers game and letters? Love you all. Hope you guys are all doing well. That was great. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.